Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Hawthorn Suites Wichita East. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Just off Interstate 35, this hotel is adjacent to Beech Factory Landing Field. All guest rooms offer a full kitchen and a fireplace. An outdoor pool and free Wi-Fi are available for use. Each room is equipped with a flat-screen TV, a coffee maker and a private bathroom that comes with a hairdryer. A breakfast buffet is provided to all guests each morning at Hawthorn Suites Wichita East. The Kansas Aviation Museum and the Exploration Place are both less than 15 minutes from Wichita East Hawthorn Suites. The Sedgwick County Zoo is less than 20 minutes drive from the hotel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.